Hi everyone, today I'm going to open the box from Jadul. This contains 3 mobile phones. I'm going to open it right now to see. My husband told me that the phone is lost or stolen in the way of delivery. So this is now still Jadul sealed. Now I'm going to open it. Wow, this one is Apple iPhone 6s 64 GB. Wow. Okay, it's proven that it is not lost or anything. This is the invoice, and this is the Asus, the Zenfone Selfie. And the other one is Sony Xperia. The fun part of this that I should open it, test them, try them with the SIM card. They should work. Then I'm gonna give it to her. We will open the Xperia Sony for the first opening. LTE. Okay. This is the phone. Very nice. I've used Sony for many years now, but I changed to Samsung. It's a dual SIM. I'm going to put the SIM card later. And iPhone 6s 64 GB. I opened the box yesterday. And then the Zenfone Selfie. Because this is not for me and for my friend abroad. But when you buy the phone from Saudi Arabia, you have to activate it first, and then it will be unlocked for Saudi Arabia. But then after that, you can put any SIM card from anywhere. So I'm sorry, I have to open this. So I'll do the iPhone 6 first. I have my iPhone is using. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's really beautiful. I really want it. I really want it, but it's not falling, of course. It's just, oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's still in the plastic. I'm not gonna open it, of course. Yeah, but how to open? Oh, okay. There's also the same thing like that. Oh, they should have their own. This is the accessory designed by Apple California, and ooh, very futuristic. And the charger and the cable. Where is the thing to open? Just like the nail. Oh, it's here. Yeah, it's the same thing actually. This one, it's just like my. I just afraid to make force because this is not mine, but it is really sturdy, so it needs to be a little pushed. Fortunately, it is the same, so I don't have to put the converter. Okay, then we'll turn it on. Oh, and it's charging. Alright, I'm going to charge you. That means I need to use these accessories, but I will try to pack it back like that. Just the plastic. Yeah. There we go. To separate them. I don't think I can pack the plastic back again. And whoa, it's huge. It's even bigger than my Samsung. Wow. Whoa, what do they have here? Yeah, it's really nice. You open it and you got papers, headset, the headset, the charger, and the charger. Oh, it's nice. Oh, okay, this is the same thing. Now onto the phone. Also, I have my mobile, my SIM card over there. I have only one. I have to test 3. Nice sleeve. Oh, I also want this one. Oh, come on. And then how to put it is nice. And look at that. Yeah, so where to put the SIM card? Oh, there is a thing to open it. I think this is just like the old one, where you use your nail to open it, because there is no other slot. Oh, this is the volume. I know this because my sister-in-law has this one. Okay, there's no other slot. This is the only way to open it. Welcome. They are all working perfectly. They turn on, and I was just to make sure also if they are not original or they are not working, so I still can return it while I'm here. But that's good that they are all good. Yep, it's a micro SD, and you've got to open it that way. Yeah, that's what I thought as well. It could be open the back, but you know, it's just because this is not mine to really force open. So now I'm just going to show you the camera. This is a very good camera for the Zenfone as a selfie. Directly you look so gorgeous. They have the beautification program directly, and it's smoothen whatever you have in your face. Are the monsters so huge? Okay. Let it. It's just, they said just turn it on. No need to set anything, and it is. They said, yeah, I think it's done. I'm done with this, and I'm gonna update this one, but I think it's gonna be okay. Why it's so beautiful? While trying out the Sony Xperia AZ or ZA XA black color. I did not open. I did open actually for the Sony Xperia. This is the SIM card slot. Yeah, I'm going to put mine. I think for the dual SIM, the SIM one only is suffice to do that. Oh, okay. It's nice. Lock it and turn it on. Yeah. Is this the same size? Almost the same size, but the screen is bigger in here. This is for the Sony SIM 1 and SIM 2. This is so cute. They are tandem together. Yeah. Oh, thank you for watching. Click subscribe.